Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best cordless impact gun, selected for their high torque, long battery life, ergonomic control, and fast operation, helping you complete automotive, construction, and home projects with confidence and professional level efficiency. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Makita DTW700 Impact Gun. The Makita DTW700 Impact Gun is a serious, heavy-duty cordless impact wrench designed for professionals who demand strength, durability, and reliability. With an impressive maximum torque of 1000 Nm, this tool is built to handle demanding fastening and loosening tasks, such as automotive repair, structural assembly, heavy machinery maintenance, and construction site applications. The high torque output ensures that even stubborn, rusted bolts can be removed efficiently without excessive strain on the user. Equipped with advanced brushless motor technology, the DTW700 delivers higher efficiency, reduced heat generation, and extended motor life compared to traditional brushed motors. This not only increases overall durability, but also improves battery runtime, making it suitable for prolonged use on job sites. The brushless design also reduces maintenance needs, which is a major advantage for professionals who rely on consistent daily performance. Safety is another strong point of this model, as it carries CE certification, ensuring compliance with recognized safety and quality standards.
Number 2. WORX WU132 Impact Gun. The WORX WU132 Impact Gun is a compact and lightweight cordless tool designed primarily for light to medium-duty fastening applications. Powered by a 12-volt 2.0 amp-hour battery, this impact driver focuses on portability and convenience rather than extreme torque output. With a maximum torque of 140 Nm, it is best suited for assembling furniture, installing fixtures, performing household repairs, and light automotive or mechanical tasks. Its brushless motor enhances efficiency, increases motor lifespan, and ensures smoother performance with less heat buildup during operation. One of the standout features of the WU132 is its extremely lightweight design, weighing only 0.59 kilograms including the battery. This makes it ideal for overhead work or extended use without causing significant hand fatigue. The 1/4-inch hex chuck allows for quick and easy bit changes, increasing workflow efficiency for users who frequently switch between tasks.
Number 3. DeWALT 1898 Nm Impact Gun. The DeWALT 1898 Nm Impact Gun is marketed as a high-torque cordless impact wrench aimed at users who require exceptional fastening power. Operating on a 20-volt platform, this brushless impact wrench claims an impressive maximum torque of 1898 Nm, positioning it as a heavy-duty tool for automotive, construction, and industrial applications. With a 1/2-inch square drive, it is compatible with standard impact sockets, making it suitable for wheel lug nuts, structural bolts, and heavy machinery maintenance. The brushless motor technology enhances efficiency, durability, and battery life while minimizing maintenance requirements. One of its practical features is the infinitely variable speed control system, which adjusts speed based on trigger pressure. This allows users to work with precision when needed and apply full power when dealing with stubborn fasteners. The integrated forward and reverse switch enables quick directional changes, increasing productivity during repetitive tasks. Additional features such as an LED work light improve visibility in dim environments, while the soft rubber-wrapped handle enhances grip comfort and reduces vibration impact.
Number 4. ONEVAN 2800 NNM Impact Gun. The ONEVAN 2800 NNM Impact Gun is positioned as an ultra-high torque electric wrench intended for heavy-duty fastening tasks. With a claimed maximum torque of 2800 Nm and 2800 watt power output, it is designed to tackle extremely tight bolts in construction, industrial maintenance, and large-scale mechanical projects. The 1/2-inch square drive allows compatibility with a wide range of impact sockets, while its capability to handle standard bolts from M12 to M30 demonstrates its focus on larger applications. Featuring a brushless motor, the tool benefits from improved efficiency, reduced spark generation, and extended motor lifespan. The stepless speed change switch allows for better operational control, while multiple gear settings, 3 forward and 2 reverse, including emergency stop, provide flexibility depending on the task. With a no-load speed of up to 8,000 RPM, and impact frequency reaching 8,500 IPM, the tool is engineered for rapid fastening performance. The tungsten steel shaft adds durability and wear resistance, ensuring longevity under demanding conditions.
Number 5. Brushless 2000 NNM Impact Gun. The Brushless 2000 NNM Impact Gun is a high-powered cordless impact wrench designed for compatibility with Makita 18V B-Series lithium batteries. With a claimed maximum torque of 2000 NNM, it aims to provide substantial fastening force for automotive repairs, construction work, and heavy mechanical applications. The 1/2-inch square drive supports standard impact sockets, making it suitable for wheel nuts and structural bolts. Its brushless motor improves efficiency, reduces wear, and eliminates spark generation during operation, contributing to longer service life. The stepless speed control switch offers adjustable performance, while 3 forward gears and 2 reverse gears, including an auto-stop function, enhance user control and safety. With a no-load speed of up to 7,200 RPM and impact frequency of 7,700 IPM, it delivers fast fastening capability. The tungsten steel shaft increases durability under high torque conditions. LED lighting improves visibility during night or indoor work. And that wraps up the top 5 best cordless impact gun. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.